AgriFI is an EU-funded program through the Republic of Denmark here in Nairobi, and the program was initiated in 2018. The program focuses on building the capacities of value chain actors in food safety, and it works in 13 counties, where we endeavored to work with training institutions by ensuring that we deliver on skills and knowledge around food safety, ensuring that the training curriculums in dairy, horticulture, and aquaculture have mainstreamed food safety within them, so that all the trainings delivered across these commodities can be able to deliver on food safety and standards.
We identified Mabanga ATC as one of the 13 ATVET centers that we are working with in effort to train or to build the capacity of farmers using the ATVET model. So we partnered with TVETA on this, and the institution was accredited to offer a number of courses in the agriculture value chains, and that was successfully done at Mabanga. And then for also that to happen effectively, then there was need to train a few trainers on pedagogy. And therefore, Mabanga ATC has been supported. 4 of the trainers are currently almost concluding training on pedagogy. And these are key resources that will help in the rollout of competency-based education and training. And at the same time, to be able to roll out the trainings, we piloted with some 50 trainees, and that is how now Mabanga has been able to cumulatively train a total of 173 students under the CBET program.
We are pleased to have had an opportunity to collaborate and partner with MESPT since the inception in 2018, and it was on competitive terms where the county, through the CECM, wrote a proposal indicating what we can partner on.
For the last 4 or 5 years, because I remember we initiated the process of collaborating at this level, especially in the running of our introduction of TVET or vocational trainings in the ATC somewhere in 2019. But in 2021, we were supported by MESPT and AgriFI to do renovations of my office or principal's office, and also we received a number of support in terms of computers, precisely 20 desktops, and also the setup Wi-Fi in the ATC, plus other amenities and accessories that support training.
When we started collaborating with the MESPT, it came to us that it is important for us to use accredited curriculums, which are certified by TVETA and CEDA. And based on our capacity in terms of trainers and facilities, we were accredited to train in 4 areas. One was aquaculture, we have dairy, we have horticulture, we have soil and water management, and poultry. When we began collaboration with the MESPT, we were very now keen on the recruitment and mobilization of the trainees. In the first cohort, we managed to train 79 on poultry and horticulture, which they successfully completed the training. They were assessed and they were certified competent. In the second cohort, we trained 17, we trained 20, we trained 15. Those were specifically for poultry. Our infrastructure in terms of buildings were really dilapidated. And one of the intervention was to work around modernizing and making them deliver on trainings. So there was the issue of improving the infrastructure in classrooms. There was need to have the whiteboards, the need to have projectors, modern equipment, the need to have the floors redone, painting, etc., etc. And so we did the improvement of the classrooms. They were painted, they were redone.
The program has partnered with Mabanga ATC to have an online presence, and we are working to develop a website for the institution with support from partners and with investment from the county government of Bungoma. And for that to happen, once we have a website, then we have an opportunity to have online courses happening. And the program is already working on digitizing some of those training modules that we've supported, and that Mabanga can be able to offer online trainings here at the institution.
Vile nimaliza shule nilikuwa natafuta vibarua here and then, kwa sababu mimi ni mlemavu, nilikuwa na challenges. Ukienda kwa ofisi ungepata. Nilipita Mabanga ATC Training Center, nikaona wao application walikuwa wameanika kama posters, but nika apply, nikaenda huko, nikasomea mambo ya poultry na nikapata certificate yangu. Sasa hii niko na knowledge. Hapo before nikuja kwa hiyo training, kwangu walikuwa wanakufa, sijui kulisha. Sisi watu wenye tuko na disabled tuko na challenge, tunakataliwa sana. Sasa niko na kuku wangu, sitegemei mtu yote, napata pesa yangu.
Mimi ni mwanafunzi wa Mabanga ATC. Before nikuje ni join hapa Mabanga ATC, mimi nilikuwa tu mkulima wa kujaribu kuvuka kuku za kienyeji. Venye nilijoin hapa, nikafunzwa, nikapewa certificate zangu, gain more skills, nikaenda evaluate kwa ground. Kwa miezi 3 sasa hii nimekuwa na kuku almost 256, sold all of them. Niko na vifaranga wa 3 weeks, niko na kuku za 2 months, na niko na layers zenye zinaniakulia mayai nikifanya selling. Sasa nimesha apply mahali kashamba na malizia kulipa mdogo. Maisha yangu nimeona imebadilika, na appreciate sana waliotusimamia tukasoma, na kwa walimu wetu pia walikuwa so friendly to us.
We did 2 key things as a program. One was to review the curricula from level 3 to level 6 to incorporate matters food safety. This review was done by industry experts in partnership with the program and of course with the guidance of ATVET CDAC. ATVET CDAC basically is concerned with development and certification of the curriculum. So they were very instrumental while we were doing curricular review. What we did was to ensure that matters food safety was strongly streamlined in those curriculum, and it was very critical. Number 2 is by ensuring that the students who are registered or who have enrolled in those ATVET institutions are properly trained. So their work basically is to ensure that they assess the students, they examine the students or the trainees, and finally they certify them so that when they go outside their certification is actually recognized even by the government. And from there, the trainees can progress to the next level. At ATVET Authority, it has got quite a number of functions, but with respect to the program, I want to say they supported us to accredit the institutions or the 13 ATVET centers that we are working with. It started with inspection, licensing, and then finally accreditation. So as we speak now, the ATCs are now able to offer CBET courses. ATVET has been very instrumental also in ensuring quality of trainings in those particular institutions. As we speak currently, we have at least 4 ATVET centers rolling out CBET courses in different value chains. So we really want to appreciate their support.